I'm going to talk about now sketching on this side face and removing material. So, like we did in the previous video, start 2D sketch, and I'm going to select this surface. Now I'm going to zoom in so we can see it. Now from my plans, all right, we're going to start in this top edge. Now we need to come down 20 millimeters along that top edge. We're going to come down 10. We're going to come across 20. And we're going to go back up to this top surface. And we're going to enclose this shape. Now, the back of my boat, I've already worked it out. I have to come in, it's 50. I'm going to come down 10 as well. I'll enclose this shape. Now, what do I do if I've accidentally put the wrong measurement in? So, silly me, I realized that this really should have been 30 millimeters. So I can, with my mouse, double click on my dimension, type in 30, and then there we go. Now, we can clearly see when I rotate my view that I've only sketched on this side, which is fine. I'm going to finish sketch. Now, I need to remove this section and this section, but all the way through my boat. So I'm going to go extrude, select cut, and I'm going to select my two profiles. Now, as we can see, my cut doesn't go all the way through. Now, my material is 42 millimeters wide, so I type in 42 and select OK. And that is what I'm left with. Once you've always done something or finished something, make sure you press save, and there you are.